Mastering relative clauses. Defining the undefined. Hello, English learners. Welcome to today's video where we'll delve into defining relative clauses, specifically focusing on that usage for both people and things. The spotlight of this video is on restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. Understanding these will help you improve your grammar, enhance your comprehension, and make your English usage more natural. So, let's dive in. Defining relative clauses, also known as restrictive clauses, give us essential information to understand the sentence. They are integral parts of the sentence and cannot be removed without changing the sentence's meaning. We use the relative pronoun, that, for both people and things in these clauses. Example: the book that you recommended was really interesting. The clause, that you recommended, is necessary to understand which book we're talking about. In defining relative clauses, we use that for both people and things. It can replace who, whom, and which, making English a bit easier for you. Examples: people, she's the person that helped me yesterday. Things, this is the computer that I bought. Remember, in informal speech or writing, we often omit that. However, it's always correct to include it. Now let's talk about the other type of relative clause, non-restrictive clauses, also known as non-defining relative clauses. These provide additional information that isn't necessary to understand the sentence. These clauses can be removed without changing the basic meaning of the sentence. We use commas to set these clauses apart. Example: my brother, who lives in Canada, is visiting me next week. The clause, who lives in Canada, is just additional information. Without it, we still know the speaker's brother is visiting. Identifying the difference between restrictive and non-restrictive clauses is crucial. Remember, restrictive clauses don't need commas and provide essential information. Non-restrictive clauses, on the other hand, need commas and provide additional, non-essential information. Examples: restrictive, the cars that are parked outside are new. Non-restrictive, the cars, which are parked outside, are new. In the first example, we're specifically talking about the cars parked outside, not any other cars. In the second example, we're talking about the cars in general and just adding that they happen to be parked outside. Well, there you have it. We've explored the fascinating world of defining relative clauses, focusing on the use of that for both people and things. And we've distinguished between restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. Remember to practice these concepts in your daily English usage. As always, keep learning and stay curious. Until next time.